Hey, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a detailed video on one of the items I picked up from my previous mini Gucci haul. These are different than a pair that I had gotten before, like about a year. These are the ones with the tiger crystal embellishment. So unlike the previous ones that I got, it just had this kind of silk jacquard or silk jacquard. And then this, what's special about this, you can obviously see immediately, both pair have the crystal tiger head on it. And it looks like it has to be done by hand, which is also probably why this was so expensive. So this retails for $17.50 and was part of a previous collection. I'm noticing that Gucci brings some of their pieces back into rotation. This one also has the larger black leather patch, which I forget if they have this in the women's or not, but if they did, this patch would be much smaller. And the bottom is flat. There's no heel, kind of. It's just one solid piece. There is a little bit of rubber down here. This was the only size left, which was a 7, but actually on Gucci's website, these apparently fit a half size small. So I'm normally a UK 6, so for me this is only a half size larger. And the velvet, or not the velvet, but this satin quilted lining is throughout on the top and the bottom. These retail for $17.50, which are the most expensive pair that I've gotten in terms of shoes, even more expensive than the Iowa buckle, which I haven't worn yet, but I do want to make an updated video because I don't think I did a more detailed video on that and show you how it looks like on. So you can see Donald Duck here in the corner. And the illustration or the pattern's a little different on each, which is a nice touch. The tiger head also has some slight variations. Again, I think it's because these are handmade, so they're not going to look exactly identical, but I think that's perfectly fine. It came with the limited edition box that you see here, which was from their, I believe it was a spring-summer 2017 collection. And it also came with the matching dust bags, which are in the same lime green as this box. And then I'm going to show you some close-ups of the tiger head with my other lens, and then I'm going to show you how these look like on with a couple of outfits. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates as well as exclusive content. And I hope to see you in my next video.